Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Buildium bank reconciliation. Today, we'll explore why bank reconciliation is vital for effective property management. Let's familiarize ourselves with the Buildium interface. Here's where you can access all the features relevant to bank reconciliation. Follow these steps to set up your bank accounts in Buildium. It's crucial for accurate reconciliation. Now, let's import your bank statements. This will help us align transactions seamlessly. Next, we will match transactions. This step ensures that your records are accurate. Encountering discrepancies? Don't worry, here's how to troubleshoot these common issues. Once reconciled, learn how to generate reports for clear financial insights. Here are tips to maintain accurate financial records all year round. Let's address common FAQs on bank reconciliation within Buildium to help clarify any doubts. In conclusion, effective financial management with Buildium leads to smoother operations. Thank you for joining us.